Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming world types and collecting the required swords. This matters because the Knight's Edge combines specific melee weapons. First, find or craft Light's Bane or Blood Butcherer depending on your world, then obtain Muramasa from dungeon chests, Blade of Grass from the Corruption Jungle, and Fiery Greatsword from the Underworld. Once done, place an anvil. Make sure to prioritize Muramasa early. It's the rarest drop, so you can progress to the next crafting step without delay. You now perform the multi-step crafting at the anvil, because order and location matter for success. First, combine Muramasa with Light's Bane or Blood Butcherer. That creates an intermediate blade. Once you have that, place the Blade of Grass and Fiery Greatsword together with the intermediate item on the anvil. This sequential combination yields the Knight's Edge. Make sure to stand close to the anvil. Moving away can interrupt the recipe. And double-check inventory, spacing so items don't drop mid-craft. You finalize by accepting the Knight's Edge from the anvil once it appears. This solidifies the melee upgrade. If it doesn't show, first verify each named sword is the correct variant, Light's Bane versus Blood Butcherer, and that you're at an anvil, not a crafting bench. If problems persist, reload a backup save and repeat the sequence step by step. Also, make sure mods aren't overriding recipes. Disable mods temporarily if you suspect conflicts. Then redo the crafting to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.